This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Bill Current. Beautiful 5-bedroom 4-full-bath home located in one of Searcy's most desired areas. Has 3 bedrooms down and 2 up. Large laundry room and pantry next to the newly remodeled kitchen, which has an island and all new stainless steel appliances with a double oven and 5-burner cooktop. The kitchen and baths have new cabinets with granite counters and new faucets. Master suite has a unique walk-thru shower. Other features include a new metal roof, 2 air conditioner units, deck, insulated windows and many more updates. For more information, review the details below.